Okay, so this is how to add in the map with the country highlighted, which is one of your requirements for your introduction. It's very easy. And so in your slideshow, you're going to insert a photo. So you want to find maybe a photo of your continent. We can search the web for that. I'll just do North America. We'll click and insert that in, or you can just copy and paste an image from Google Images. So you want to center that however you want. Make it a little bit bigger, it doesn't matter. And then in order for you to create the map, because it does say United States right here, but you have to have it self-labeled. So you can add a text box really easily, and then paste in or type in your description, because your image does have to have a caption. And then it's very easy to add arrows and shapes and circles and things like that. So in the top menu bar, you go to select line, go to arrow, and then you just draw it from one point to the next. So that makes the arrow. You can make it like this, however you want. And then you just change the sizing of it. So size and position. You don't have to do all that. You can just click away and then you see the little arrow. You can also add a shape like a circle around your country, which I recommend because that makes it stand out. So what happens is when you draw any kind of shape, originally when you choose it over your map, it comes out with a gray fill. You want to get rid of that, go into the fill color and just click transparent, and then you'll have a line around it. Now, however, this is very thin and you really can't see it, so what you can do is up here, border color, you could change it to something bold and then change the weight so it's in a thicker pixel. So that makes it stand out a little bit more. And then you have your labeled map that you put in a text box, an arrow, and a red circle around.